Welcome to Nana's. We're going to make this fun apple stamping pumpkin craft today. It makes these cool stamps and we're going to paint them like a pumpkin. Obviously you're going to need an apple, and we're going to be using 3 colors of craft paint. We'll need a paring knife to cut our apple up with, and a couple paint brushes, a flat brush. This happens to be about 3/4 of an inch wide, and then a smaller paintbrush. It's a number 1, but you could use a number 2 round. Now, you can paint on anything you'd like to. I'm going to be using these sandwich sacks, like you would put your lunch in, like brown paper bags, but this one happens to be white, which I think is a nice surface to paint on. And then I'm going to be making gift bags out of these. You could cut a piece of cardstock in half and then fold it and make a card. Maybe you're going to have a party for Halloween and you could use these for invitations. That would be really cool. A tote bag. These are not very expensive in the craft stores. Made out of canvas. You could stamp your pumpkins on here and use it for a bag to go trick-or-treating, which would work really well. When you cut your apple, it's good to cut it as evenly in half as you can so it leaves a flat surface. Guess I won't be eating this apple later. Let's give this one a try. Pressing pretty hard to get all the surfaces down. Ah, that's better. So I'd let it work at drying for about 20 minutes. So a stem. Kind of wider at the top, a little less at the bottom. 3 or 4 leaves or 5, whatever you want. But the black is the fun part. We're going to be making faces on these pumpkins. Each one's going to have a different expression. Boo! Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. If you would like all the specific instructions with pictures, you can find those on welcometonanas.com. And thank you for crafting with me today with this fun apple stamping pumpkin. See you next time.